Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can improve your edits with this whoosh blur transitions in CapCut. So here you can just add your clips into CapCut like this, for example. And then to add the whoosh blur transition, click on the transition box in between the clip. Then go to the blur category and you can just here find the whoosh blur transition. So let's just scroll down this one, whoosh, click on the transition, adjust the duration, and you can just click on the check icon. But if you want to apply it to all of your video, don't forget to click on apply to all. So that's it. This will be the result. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. Bye!